Hello, it's Steve Dooley and Thomas Parker here with the Lawton team in Tucson, Arizona. We're standing outside of 1579 West Montebello. Let's take a quick tour of this home. Okay, this house is about 1650 square foot. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's built in 1976, and it sits on approximately 1 acre of land here. Some storage there. You got a really nice wrought iron door here in the entrance. Straight to the left here, you have the laundry room. Laundry and storage. This is the main living area. Standard 8-foot ceilings. Kitchen in a minute. Tile flooring. And a formal dining area right here, looking out into the pool. And heading down the hallway, have our guest bathroom. Nice skylight. It's been fully updated. And you got your 3 bedrooms down the hall here. So here's guest bedroom number 1. Your water theme here. That's actual tile flooring there. It's that wood tile. Looks like wood, but it's actually tile. And that was bedroom 2. Here is the master. I got a king size bed in here. It fits really nicely. Good size room. Pretty good size closet here. That's the view of the front yard there. And this is the bathroom in the master. Got a shower tub. This one's also been updated as well, just to match the other guest bedroom, or guest bathroom, sorry. Alright. So those are the bedrooms. Let's make our way back down the hall here. And then that's the dining room. All the way back to the main living room there. This is a gas fireplace. View of the backyard there, which we'll get to in a sec. Here's a kitchen area. They got granite countertops, nice new cabinets. They got a hood system over the range there. All this has been upgraded. Nice big, like almost commercial range. Hood system. And they got a huge set-in refrigerator, stainless there. Right, let's go outside and check out the yard. You got a covered patio here. Kind of runs the length of the house. Nice landscape. You got some grass over there. Natural vegetation. Not too many people behind you. This is a corner lot, so there's going to be no neighbors here. There is a neighbor back there, but it's quite a ways across there. You Again, this is on an acre parcel. Spa there. Alrighty. Put a pump in the corner there. And I'll head back through the kitchen to the main living area. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already done so, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel to see more great videos in this series. Also, be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. You can learn more about Steve, and you'll have the opportunity to schedule a one-on-one call so we can answer all of your real estate questions. So be sure to head over to stevedooley.com right now. I put a link in the comments below. You can just click it right below, whether you're on your phone or on the desktop. Super easy, and go check it out and schedule your call with us today. Thanks for watching.